say. Alright, guys.
Will you carry me away from my gizzard?
Never mind, you soon go back.
Sure.
We are back to tell you about the surprising uses of vodka that do not involve drinking it.
I'm almost afraid because maybe after I finish, I'm not going to want to drink no more vodka because it sounds like it.
I don't think you're going to have that problem.
Why you want to separate us, Benji? Make you and Aubrey go. We're not moving.
Alright, first thing you can use it to do is to clean windows and fixtures. You can spray the vodka.
You spray it,
directly onto the glass.
You have the music you have to play, by the way.
I know, so you can wipe like so. To the left, then you wipe to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, then down and up. It's all in the wrist, yo. Get any old cleaning bottle, them say, and throw the vodka into it, and then you just
and that's it.
You wipe.
Removes sticker glue. Dab some vodka onto a sticky area with a cotton swab and watch how easily the tag slips off.
So can I remove like old license plate discs with vodka then? Might be a thing.
I'm gonna try it.
Cause
mine
a rainbow on my car. A rainbow of colors onto my car.
Benji, you know your OCD?
He does have OCD.
Mr. Monk.
Deodorize, Benji. You can deodorize with vodka. I'm not saying anything about your routine, no, but I'm just saying you can disinfect your mattress, not him.
Oops.
Mattress.
Oops.
Oh.
I didn't finish reading.
This is great to do in the summertime when we tend to sweat more. Just pour a few ounces of vodka into a spray bottle and go at it.
On your mattress?
Very importantly, it says let the mattress dry before you make the bed, because if you put the sheet on the wet vodka mattress, then might be a problem. Deodorize, add vodka to a spray bottle and spritz wherever it needs spritzing, including your shoes. So if you have a foot problem and you have a cheesy foot, then you can spray the vodka inside the shoes.
No, me not like vodka.
Vodka and cheesy shoes. I don't know how I feel about
that. Because
I
know me I drink, me I wanted to myself if the money I did put some vodka in them shoes before we go out. This is not working out. This is not fun for me, Unique.
Fun stop.
Yeah.
All right.
Soothe toothache.
You're joking.
I know rum can. I didn't know vodka.
Is that true?
Yeah, man. Because white rum. Because white rum deaden it immediatamente.
I did not know that.
Vodka is not a replacement for a trip to the dentist's office, though. Neither is the white rum. But if you've got a toothache and the pain won't stop, try swishing around some vodka in your mouth. It should help numb your gums while disinfecting any bacteria-ridden spots.
That's interesting to know.
White rum.
Okay. You could also refresh your laundry.
There you go.
Oh boy, I say. Add half a cup of vodka to your regular wash and it will remove the smell. This is an especially great tip for super musty, or as we would say in Jamaica, maybe frowsy kitchen towels.
Not your arm, Marvin, the towels.
Maybe green arm.
Why would you put vodka under your arm?
Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're trying to run them up the curve, but it's hard. It's hard. Freshen up your room with a signature scent. Mix vodka with your favorite essential oil. So you were saying that before, if you can use the fruity vodka. You don't have to use the fruity vodka and waste that. You can just put it with... No?
Unique.
You
know, say Alcoholics Anonymous, you go get them tip, yeah?
What about your jewelry?
Soak your chain or ring in a shallow vodka bath for 15 to 20 minutes and wipe with a clean cloth. Not recommended for jewelry with gems or stones.
Okay.
And it's not recommended for NCs neither.
For what?
NCs.
For what?
NCs. If I'm a real gold, not put in the vodka. May I tell you?
What is NCs?
Meaning a real.
But what? Right. But what Where it come from?
NCs. No, Jamaica people have used that kind of word.
Learn something new
NCs.
every day. You want to make
No, make them like what?
Don't know.
Yesterday was National China Day, by the way.
Was it?
Yes, and it was Nigeria's Independence Day. So good morning, guys.
Okay.
Make hair shinier. Running low on shampoo? Just add some vodka to the bottle.
Says actually helps clean the hair and produce a healthy looking shine.
But most after me pour the vodka in the bottle and then me drunk. My hair gonna look very shiny to me.
Did you know that vodka also dries out your clogged ear?
Not going to be finding out.
The alcohol can help evaporate the water in your ear. It also helps to eliminate the growth of bacteria, which can help prevent infection. So you're telling me
that somebody put vodka in their ear to find out if it would unclog it?
That I can...
That must have happened after they washed their hair.
Or had a little too much to drink. So I can fix my toothache, my hair, and my ear with vodka.
I think after them wash them hair, the vodka just running at them ears and them say, look at that.
And I can also keep my plants living longer. This thing is really multi-purpose. Wilting bouquets perk up when you mix a few drops of vodka and a teaspoon of sugar with the water in the vase.
But perk up for how long?
I'm not sure.
Because when we drink vodka, we perk up, you know. But
not everybody perks up when they drink vodka. I think usually
temporarily. I don't mean they perk up and then them go say
wop,
wop, wop.
Jody, how much gizzard do you have in your hand?
She's not ashamed.
All right, folks. Uses of vodka. Hope you learned something this morning. We'll be right back.